Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you a external cooling fan for the PS5. This is what it looks like. As you can see, I bought this from a store called Curacao. So I'll try to find a link on their website, and from their website I'll put it in the description of this video if I could find it. Alright, so basically what this is you can get 3 fans. It hooks into the USB port of the PS5 right here. So this is my external here, and the USB port that the fan is going to use is right here. So I'm going to open this up. This is what it looks like. And as you can see, there are 3 fans here. So they are facing this way, meaning that it draws the heat out. So basically, just like a regular desktop, the air comes through the front of the system and goes out the back. The reason I got this is because this is the system that I play the most. So that's why I got that. So basically, what I do is go over here, but first I'm going to actually test it. So I have my adapter here, and I'm just going to put it in just like that. Remember, this is a USB port. It's the same on everything, except some arcade games do have different voltage USB ports. The Konami 573 system for DDR cab does have a USB port on the system itself, but that voltage is different. That is a very rare occasion. But that is a professional hardware and all that. Most of the time, sometimes they do different things. Now, all the home stuff, you're going to know it's going to be all the same and stuff like that. I have not encountered to where you can't use this device on a certain charger for the home market. I have not encountered that. So, basically, I have my plug. I turn it this way. Oh wow, works too. Works really well, and it's quiet. So basically, as soon as the system receives power, it's going to power the fans. And I will show you that. So disconnect it. Now, before I put it onto the PlayStation, I wanted to test it. Why? Just in case something doesn't work, I'll know. So this is very easy. It's just on, off. But let's say you actually have to take the system apart for an accessory. I've never have seen that. But let's say you do. You want to test the part first before you do that, so if it doesn't work, you don't waste your time. Okay. That's cool that that actually worked. So basically, this is a computer case fan for the PS5. And I found a button here. Let's turn it back on. Okay, so I found a button, which is right here. And if that's interesting. It has its own power button, so I could turn this off if I don't want to use it. But I'm going to keep it in the on position because I want the air being... I want it to turn on with the system. So if I disconnect it, goes off, wait for the fan to stop spinning. Cool. So it saves the state of the options that you have in here, which is good. So turn it off, pull it out of this power supply. Now, the one thing I will say, and one thing that kind of I don't like is, yes, this is a pass-through USB port, but on this particular device, it's a USB 2.0 port. So basically, which goes into a USB 3 port. So basically, you still have the port. It's just going to be a USB 2.0 port. So without further ado, let's get this thing hooked up. So basically, I'm going to pull the system out further. There we go. So what I do, just like that. Oh, so see on the last end here, the fin of the vent, you just go like that. There we go. So now it is on there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to power on the PlayStation itself. And there we go. So as you can see, you probably can't see it, the PlayStation is on, and I just hit a towel here that I have. That's what that said you heard is, but it's working very, very nicely. Now, what you want to do, which I did not show, is you want to take some computer spray, and before you put this on, you want to get all the dust out. So that way, if there's an issue that's going to happen, you prevent it. So I'll do that after the video. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.